You're searching for a trustworthy crypto exchange without KYC and with very low trading fees? Then I have the perfect exchange for you. In this video I will talk about Blofin. I'm using this exchange Blofin for a month and I'm very happy. It's a very nice beginner-friendly crypto exchange. And in this video I will talk about Blofin, share my opinion on this platform, and I will show you everything you need to know to deposit crypto or fiat money without KYC. I show you how to trade in the spot market, and I will show you how to open leverage trades in the future market. Down below I made you timestamps, so go to the part which interests you the most. I think everything is important to really understand and use Blofin properly, but you can skip to the part which interests you the most. Have fun. So first of all, Blofin is a very modern new exchange without KYC, so you don't have to give your passport and your ID to this exchange. You can just register with your email and a password and directly trade on this platform. And this platform is focused on spot trading and especially the futures market. As I said here, Blofin, where whales are made. So as you can see, here are trading beginners and also professional traders. And I'm using this platform for a month and I'm really happy. And I also made a post in my free Telegram group. And here I summarized the most important parts for Blofin. First, as I said, we have no KYC. Then Blofin is working with KuCoin and it is backed with it. So the funds are safe and more than 100% are backed. On the website you also find their proof of reserves and you can watch the Blofin wallets. And as you can see, more than 100% are backed at USDT, Bitcoin and Ethereum. So the funds are safe. Of course, when you want to have the safest option, you will put your money on a cold wallet, but at Blofin I am very happy. But for spot and futures trading, I think the funds are very safe and I have a very nice feeling about Blofin. Then one of the biggest advantages are the extremely low fees from 0.02 to 0.06%. So especially for people who want to trade on futures, it's really cheap prices. And they also got this VIP fee schedule. And I think this is very nice because as you can see, if you deposit over 50,000 or if you arrange this volume in 30 days, then you will get to VIP. And as you can see, the fees are decreasing extremely, so you have very low fees to trade, and I never seen something like this on another exchange. So we already have very low fees, but if you're depositing more or trading more volume, then you will have the lowest fees on the market as I've seen. Blofin has over 300 perpetual contracts, so we have many future markets and also spot markets for crypto trading. It's really nice. It's one of the top 10 exchange globally from the trading volume because they're handling over $16 billion daily, and we have high liquidity, so the execution is very nice. There's no stop loss hunting, so if you're placing a trade, you don't get liquidated if the stop loss and take profit is normally, so they don't fish your stop loss or anything. I have very nice experiences with Blofin. And if you want to register on Blofin, you can use the link in the description. And then this page will open up, Blofin X Successful Trading. Here is also my referral code, SuccessfulT. And with this referral code, you will get access to every new cashback event or other fancy event from Blofin. And they have many. And I'm saying I'm not sponsored by Blofin. I just get some of the fees that would normally go to Blofin. They come to me. So it's a win-win situation. You can take advantage from the coming events and also the $5,000 bonus on Blofin with my link, and you can support this channel because I get some of the fees which would normally go to Blofin. You don't pay any extra fees, the fees are very low, and as I said, with the VIP program you can also decrease the fees even more. So in my opinion, it's a win-win situation. You would support this channel using the link down below, but of course you don't have to use my link if you don't want to. And if you're using the link in the description, you get up to this page, you put your email here, your password, tick this box, sign up, and then you're already registered for Blofin. It's very fast and easy, and as I said, no KYC required. And if you have finished the registration, you will come to this page. I will show you now, as I said, everything you need to know for Blofin, and you will find the timestamps down below to skip to the part which interests you the most. As I said, we don't have KYC, so you don't have to send your ID or password to Blofin, but if you want to register and verificate yourself, then you can click on this icon over this mouse cursor, click on identification, and then you can send your password there. But as I said, you don't have to use the KYC. So let's start with buying crypto with fiat money. And it's very easy. You click on buy crypto, then you come to this page. Here you will enter how much USD you want to buy crypto with. For example, we are using 500 USD. Of course, you can use any fiat currency you want. Then you will see here the amount of cryptocurrency you will get. I would recommend USDT because these are the lowest fees, and you can then use the spot market to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum or other coins. And as you can see, you would get this amount of USDT, and you can use MasterCard, Visa or Apple Pay to buy cryptos, and you don't have to use KYC. So you can buy this with your debit card right here. I think it's not working with credit card, but with every debit card it's working. Then you click on buy now, and then you can buy these coins or this cryptocurrency with fiat money. Very easy. And if you want to deposit crypto, you are clicking on assets and spot. Here you can see your spot account, for example, USDT and Bitcoin. And if you want to deposit USDT, you click on deposit. Then you can select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, for example, USDT. You select the network. I will use TRC20 because it's a very fast chain. And then you will get the withdrawal address and the QR code. You can also copy the withdrawal address, and then you can send your cryptocurrency to this address. You will have it in your spot account, and then you can use this cryptocurrency on Blofin. Very easy. And if you want to then transfer your money from your spot to your futures account, you go on overview. And if you then want to transfer your money from your spot to your futures account, you go on assets, on spot, and here you can click on transfer. Then you select here USDT, and you can select your different accounts from spot account to futures account. And then you're saying like 100 USDT, I want to transfer, click on confirm, and then you're sending money from your spot to your futures account. And you can also send it other way around from your futures to your spot. Then if you want to see which markets you can trade or buy at spot, you click on markets. Then this page will open up. And as you can see at the futures market here, you can leverage trade cryptocurrency. You have many perpetual contracts, very much cryptocurrency. So it's very nice that we have this big coin offering. And you can also select some groups here like meme coins. If you like to trade meme coins, you have many here. You can trade them here with leverage. Or if you want to buy cryptocurrency for your portfolio, then you can click on spot. And then this page will open up, and as you can see, we also have many spot currencies. So Blofin is perfectly for futures trading. As I said here, it's also trading, but you can also build your spot portfolio on Blofin. So let's start with the spot account. We are clicking on spot, and then this page will open up. I think it's very clean, it's very nice and beginner friendly, and it's very easy to use. So if you want to buy cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or other coins for your portfolio, you're going on spot. Then here you can select the coin. You can also fill in the name right here. In this example, we are using Bitcoin. And here you can see the order types. For example, if you want to buy coins, you click on buy. If you want to sell them again, you click on sell. But in this case, I want to buy some crypto. Here we'll have the order type, limit, trigger, or market. I normally use market. Then you will directly buy crypto at the prices right now. Then you will click on amount and total. You will click 100 USDT. I want to buy 100 USDT of Bitcoin to the price right now, $67,800. And then you will click just on buy BTC, confirm, and then success. We already bought Bitcoin. And as you can see at the order history, we right now bought some Bitcoin. And if you want to sell the Bitcoin again, you click on sell. Then you take everything you have right here to 100%, click on sell BTC, confirm, and you directly sold your Bitcoin again in USDT. It's very simple to buy and sell cryptos at spot at Blofin. And now we are coming to the most interesting part, the futures account. You can also trade with bots, but I normally just use the futures trading. Here you can trade with leverage. And on the first view, it's looking quite the same as spot trading, but we have very different order types right here. First, we are selecting our coin. Here you can see Bitcoin Perp. It's for perpetual futures, so for leverage trading. And in this case, we are also selecting Bitcoin, but you can use the crypto you want to trade. And now we go to the settings to open a position. We can buy, so we go long, so we are speculating that the market will rise to the upside and then we would make profits. And if you want to short, then you click on sell and then you would speculate on lower prices for Bitcoin. Then we have the settings right here isolated, which is very important. You have cross and isolated, but I would recommend using isolated, because then you're just risking the position you are making in the futures account. And if you're using cross, you would lose your whole account if the price really drops below and you don't have a stop loss. So it's really safe to use isolated confirm. Then you would search the leverage. we can use up to 150x. That's really nice, but normally for beginners, I would use 5x to 10x, and I normally use up to 20 or 30x, but it really depends how big is the trade. It's a swing trade or just a quick scalp trade. But for this example, we are using 10x. Again, you can select your limit, trigger or market. I normally just use market. So when we go long at a market order, we go directly into a position, and I think it's the safest and best way to get into a trade. Then we are using amount USDT, and you also have this 10x of course. And when you are typing 100 USDT, so example, if you want to open a trade with 100 USDT from you and 10x, this would be 1000 USDT because you are selecting $100 and 10x, so it's 1000. And then most important is you click on TPSL, and then this page opens. If we, for example, want to open a long position, I always want to have a stop loss and a take profit before I enter the trade. So in this example, let's say we want to put our stop loss below this last low and our take profit over this last high. And then you will calculate how much you want to risk per stop loss. So for example, our stop loss would be under this low, so 66,500, and our take profit would be 69,500. And then you are seeing right here how much USDT would you lose if the price here got hit. In this case, we would have $17, and how much money I would make if we're hitting the take profit, in this case 24 USDT. And if you want to, for example, risk $50 per the stop loss, then you're taking this one right here till it gets to minus 50 at this stop loss. For example, right now, if we're entering right now with a long position and put our stop loss below this last low, then we would lose $50. And if the TP got hit, we would made 72 USDT. And this is always very important to have your stop loss and take profit before, because if the price will drop and continue to fall to the downside, then you would make really big losses, and your stop loss is saving you to don't lose too much money. So I will always use a stop loss. Professional traders always have a stop loss and a take profit for a trade. So I would recommend it to you. And in this case, we are now open this example position. To summarize, we have isolated, we have a 10x leverage, we're going with the market in, we have our stop loss, our entry, we go long, so we are trying to make money when the price goes to the upside, so we are speculating for rising prices, and now we are going in the long position and then confirm, and as you can see, the position opened right here. So as you can see, we have our entry point right here, we have our stop loss and our take profit. And if you're scrolling down, you will also see your position right here. Bitcoin USDT pair by 10x. We have the total amount of USDT which is in this position. In this case, you are using 277 USDT from your own money. With the 10x is around 2,700 USDT position. Then we have the average price right here. Here you can see how the trade is running. In this case, we are right now 0.4% in the loss because the price dropped a little bit. We have our estimated liquidation price right here, but you always have to use a stop loss which is over the last liquidation price. Then we have the mark price. This is the price right now of Bitcoin. It's a bit dropped from our entry. Then you can also close here some of the position. For example, if you are clicking on 20, you would close 20% of your position to the price right now. Here you can close the whole position, and here you will find TPSL, and here you can see again your take profit, your stop loss. Here you can modify again. For example, if you want to change your stop loss to 66,000, then you would lose $70. And then you click on confirm. And as you can see, the stop loss got more down. But in the best case, you would directly use a stop loss and let it there because you have a trading plan and that's why your stop loss is there. But you can also modify it right here. Or if you're clicking here on the SL and drag it where you want, again under this last low, success. And as you can see, now the stop loss is here. So you can change the take profit and the stop loss and manage the position down here with take profit or down here in this graphics. And as I said, it's really easy and beginner friendly and I really like the interface. price. And if you, for example, want to put your stop loss even higher, you can put it right here. It's very easy. And if you now want to close some of the position, as I said, we are clicking here on 10%. Now 10% of the position of the, as you can see, 2,700 USDT big position, you would close. So we're closing 10%. As you can see, success. So you can take profits right here, for example, also 50%. But in this case, I can also close all. So if you want to close your trade before the TP or stop loss got hit, then you're clicking on close all, and everything is done. So now I showed you how I trade on Blofin, how it's working. If you have any questions left, then write it down in the comments. I could also make another tutorial on the futures, but I think now you have everything you need to trade on Blofin. So guys, I showed you now everything you need to know: how to deposit money, how to buy cryptos at the spot market, and how to use the future market. As I said, I'm using this platform for a month now, and I'm really happy. You don't have KYC, you have very low trading fees. And if you want again to support this channel, then click on the link in the description. You will find my affiliate link right there. Some of the fees which would normally go to Blofin will support this channel. So thank you very much. And of course, with every event in the future, which my community gets from Blofin, you would get if you are just using my link. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.